You've probably seen videos claiming that a 609 dispute letter can magically erase negative items from your credit report. But here's the truth. Most of what you've heard is wrong. In this video, I'll explain what Section 609 actually says, what it can and can't do, and how to use it the right way. Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, that's 15 U.S.C. Section 1681G, gives you the right to request disclosure of all information in your credit file. That means you can ask the credit bureaus to show you what's on your report and where it came from. That's it. It does not say they have to delete anything just because you asked. The myth goes like this. Send a 609 letter, demand the bureau produce the original signed contract, and if they can't, which they usually can't, the item gets removed. Sounds great, but that's not what the law says. Bureaus are not required to produce original documents. They verify information with the furnisher, the creditor or collector who reported it. What actually works is using Section 611, which requires bureaus to investigate disputes within 30 days. Section 623, which places duties on the companies that furnish your data. And the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, which gives you the right to demand debt validation from collectors. These are the real tools that get items corrected or removed. Here's my recommendation. Use a 609 letter to request your full file disclosure. Then use a 611 dispute letter for every inaccurate item, with specific reasons and supporting documents. And if a collection agency is involved, send a debt validation letter under the FDCPA. This three-layer approach is what actually produces results. If you want all of these letters ready to fill in and send, 609 disclosure requests, 611 dispute letters, debt validation letters, CFPB complaints, and more. I have 90 templates in the Credit Dispute Kit, $27 one-time instant download. Link in the description. Subscribe for more credit dispute breakdowns every week.